In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove denied items and listings on Facebook Marketplace. This process is straightforward once you know where to look, but it can be a little tricky if you're not familiar with Facebook's interface. Let's dive right in and clean up those listings. First, open up your Facebook page. You can do this from your computer or mobile device, whatever you find more convenient. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a menu and you want to look for the Settings and Privacy option. Selecting this will open up a list of more personal settings to fine-tune your Facebook experience. Now you're going to click on Activity Log. This area keeps track of everything you've interacted with or posted on Facebook. It's a little hub for all your activities, making it a handy tool when you need to manage them. Once you're in your activity log, you will see an option called Your Facebook Activity. Give that a click. This will display all activities you've engaged in, including interactions specific to the marketplace. Next, you'll see Facebook Marketplace among the activity categories. This is where you'll find a detailed record of all the items you've listed, sold, or interacted with inside Marketplace. Click on it to reveal your Marketplace history. Once you're looking at your Marketplace activity, search for the Marketplace Listings tab. Clicking on it will display all the listings you've posted, including any denied items. These are the ones we're interested in removing today. Now, find the listing you wish to delete. Next, move your cursor or tap on the three dots. These dots symbolize more options, a little hidden menu of sorts. When you click on them, a small menu will drop down with several options, one of which is delete. Before you proceed, take a moment to make sure this is the right listing you want to remove, because once it's deleted, it's gone for good. Once you've confirmed, go ahead and click on delete. Facebook will prompt you again to ensure you're absolutely certain about removing this item from your marketplace listings. Click on delete again to finalize the action. And there you have it. The listing is now successfully removed. Going through these steps will help keep your marketplace profile tidy and easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to check back for more useful tips to enhance your Facebook experience.